The lawn isn't getting mowed. Floors aren't being mopped. Dishes remain piled up. We are zeroed in on tackling the most powerful production car America has ever built. We're talking about the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Most of its steamy details were divulged over a 12-week rollout leading up to the New York Auto Show this past April. But to recap, Demons come off the assembly line sporting a wide-body kit, a drag strip-tuned adaptive suspension, and an engine that makes 808 horsepower. This supercharged 6.2-liter V8 is an evolution of the Hellcat's 707 Hemi but with beefed-up internals and a larger, 2.7-liter rotary-screw blower, up from 2.4 liters, from supplier I, tuned to make 14.5 pounds of boost. The car comes on 4 drag radials, but the 8-speed ZF8 horsepower automatic turns only the rear wheels. Speaking of transmissions, this one features the first transmission brake on a production car, more on that in a bit, as well as a few other drag racing tricks. After plunking down $86,090, buyers can fit a bunch of extra bits on their Demons to get the power figure up to 840 horsepower when burning 100-octane gasoline. All of the add-ons, including skinny front wheels, can be had for just $1 as part of what Dodge calls the Demon Crate.